Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chinyere Isieku, and in today's video, I'm gonna be walking you through Figma, an amazing design tool for UI UX, graphic design, and also collaboration. So whether you're a beginner or just looking to understand the basics, this video will help you find your way around Figma in just 5 minutes. So now let's get started. Now, this is what Figma looks like when you first open it. So let me quickly explain the different sections of let me quickly explain the different sections on your screen. So you have the file name area at the top left corner. Usually it's titled is untitled, so you're gonna have to name it whatever project it is you're working on. So here we're gonna name it transaction page. So you have the toolbar section where you have the frames, you have the section, you have the slides, you have your rectangle, the lines, and all of those things you're going to be using to for your design. You have the text as well. Um, this is where you'd have to. This is where you find the essential tools like your move to frames and all of those. For the main screen over here, the main screen is called as the Canva. So the center of your screen, like I said, is called the Canva. This is where your design, everything would be. It's your digital workspace where you can add frames, shapes and text, whatever to suit the design you have in mind or based on the project team you're working on. We also have the layout panel over here. We have the layout panel. So every object you add on your Canva appears over here. So all of these icons you're seeing beneath it is the showing from the previous projects I have worked on. So all of these are the item, and it's also very important for us to name our layer panel because it helps developers in projects, identify quickly what the design is all about. So the design elements are into different layers and groups. We also have the property channel, so whatever image you put on your Canva shows up in the property channel. Also, it helps you. It's important because it allows you to customize any object you select. You can also adjust the size, the color, the stroke, and all of those. In a few minutes, we're going to be checking out all of these. So now let's create our first frame. So think of a frame as an artboard where you design your layout. So to create a frame, to click on the frame tool over here, you can either click on the frame tool over here and it's been highlighted, showing that it's been clicked on, or you press the. I'm gonna take this out now. See, or you. I'm gonna take this out now. You click on the frame icon over here, or you press the F key on your keyboard and just click and drag on the Canva. So since we've clicked it now, I'm just gonna on the Canva. You see, it's popped up. So I can decide to adjust the size based on how I want my work to be. Yeah, so this is the size I want currently. I'm just gonna adjust it just a little bit. Adjust it just a little bit. Here we go. Feel free, this is your design, adjust it however you think is best for you to work. Also, you can also select pre-made sizes from the right hand panel like the mobile screen or web layout. So over here, frame, we have iPhone 16 Pro Max, we have 16 Pro Max. You can click on them. Before you click on them, ensure your cursor, you've highlighted the frame so that every changes you want here is being affected. So I'm going to stick with iPhone 16 Pro Max for this design class. So now let's add some shapes to our design. So we're going to go to the toolbar section and select rectangle. Click there, you select rectangle, or you go to your keyboard and just type R, and it's been highlighted. So we're gonna drag and draw a rectangle inside the frame. So here we go. inside the frame. So centralized now. So now we have the triangle highlighted. So now let's customize the shape using the properties panel on the right. So whatever you want to do, whatever design you want to make, you can actually customize your design using the property channels, which we're going to do in a few minutes. So over here, we come to the corner radius where we want to, because I'm looking to customize the edges of the triangle. So we come over here. So that you come over here the and put a number of effects you want. And once you do that, it affects everything. Or I'm gonna see this now and take it back to how it was. So that you do this, or you come to the corner radius over here, you can actually make the effect on the four corners individually. So on the top left corner, we're gonna put 30. On the top right corner, 30. And over here, the bottom right corner, 30. I'm just showing you all of this, various ways of effecting the change. So at the bottom left corner radius, we also put 30. See, and it takes effect. Great. So to change the color, click on the fill box and pick any color you like. So over here, we can either pick blue. You see, it's changed, or we're building a transaction app, and I would love it to have a color like this. So over here, it's too bright, so it can show. I'm just gonna tweak it just a little bit, like this, like this. Here you go. So this is the color we're gonna be having over here. If you want to add a border, go to the stroke section, click on plus sign and adjust the thickness. So over here, we're going to go to the stroke sign, or you click on the plus sign, to adjust the thickness, but I do not want it's too thick. You see over here, it's too dark. That's not what I want. So I'm just going to go back now and reduce the opacity. I'm going to reduce it to 50%. When I do, this is the effect you have, but I do not want to be including the border sign in this design, so I'm just going to take it off. This is just for educational purpose, so I'm just going to take it off for now. Here you go. Now, don't forget, if you have multiple items, you can group them together by just simply clicking Ctrl G. So over here, we're going to group these icons together. We'll click on Ctrl G. Here you go. You do that so you can easily move items together, also for better and proper alignment. Finally, let's talk about saving and sharing your work in Figma. So for Figma, automatically saving your work so you don't really have to worry about losing your progress. So to share your design, you click on the share button, top right corner, enter the email, whoever you want to share this item with. But I'm not going to be sharing on this video because we just started to work on a transaction page. On our next class, we'll continue from where we have stopped now. So that's it for today's tutorials. Thank you for joining in. Now you can know how to navigate Figma, create frames and add shapes, text, and customize designs. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tutorials. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.